Well, parents are suing a local preschool over claims their children were sexually abused by an employee.
The Washington Post first reported that the school says parents waived their right to sue when they signed liability waivers. Fox 5's chief legal correspondent Katie Barlow now joins us live with more to explain. Katie.
Well, when you send your kids to preschool or camp, there's always lots of forms to fill out. Often there's a consent or a liability waiver that says you won't hold the school responsible if something goes wrong. Well, recently, the Washington Hebrew congregation here in D.C. told a D.C. judge that those waivers mean that they can't be held legally responsible for one of their employees sexually abusing children in their care. In 2019, a group of parents sued WHC claiming the school was negligent in allowing its employee to sexually abuse their children. The parents say the abuser targeted children ages 2 to 4. They say the school violated DC law, which requires at least 2 adults to be in the room with minor children. WHC is fighting back. In July, they told the court they can't be held liable because the parents signed a waiver, and that prevents the school from being held legally responsible. The waiver means they can be sued only for extreme or intentional conduct, lawyers for WHC argued. The school says there is not a shred of evidence that they intended for the abuse to occur. In a statement today, a spokesperson for WHC said, "Our motion in no way suggests that parents somehow consented to criminal or intentional acts." And at least one contract expert agrees and says that's not even possible.
I could be a horrible abusive parent and want a contract for my child to take some nude photos. And the state says no, because you have a higher duty as a parent, just because there's freedom of contract and you could contract for that yourself. When you're contracting on behalf of a minor, the standard is different.
The release that parents sign generally protects the school and its employees, but it would not prevent parents from being able to sue the individual who is accused of sexual abuse. MPD conducted a nearly 18-month-long investigation of those accusations going back to 2018. In January 2020, MPD released a rare statement that there was not enough probable cause to make an arrest, closing the investigation. Beyond the criminal context, Professor Mary Graw-Leary says the law has evolved in recent decades in this country to help protect children from this kind of abuse.
The fundamental legal principle that children cannot protect themselves. And so the law then has shifted that burden to all the adults around them to engage in protective measures that we don't normally ask of citizens, but we do when it comes to child abuse, because we recognize children cannot protect themselves.
The judge will first decide legally whether those waivers block parents from moving forward with their lawsuit, and if not, trial scheduled for March 2023. Back to you.